Welcome to the Explainer. So, what if you could make thousands of dollars on YouTube without ever picking up a camera or even recording your own voice? Today, we're diving into a pretty wild blueprint that promises you can do just that. The whole idea is simple, maybe a little too simple. We're looking at a strategy from one content creator who says you can rake in hundreds, even thousands, of dollars without ever showing your face or saying a word yourself. The creator kicks things off with a huge promise, a way to earn money right from home just by using content that's already out there. But here's the real kicker. He claims these channels get fully monetized and have zero copyright problems.
Okay, so does this actually work? Is there any proof? Well, the creator points to several channels that he says are using this exact method, and he throws out some pretty impressive numbers to back it all up.
He puts one channel under the microscope, breaking down its performance over just 28 days to try and prove that this is more than just a theory. In just 1 month, this channel supposedly pulled in over $500. It also apparently racked up 60,000 hours of watch time. Now, to put that in perspective, you only need 4,000 hours to even apply for monetization, so yeah.
And it didn't stop there. The channel also managed to pull in nearly 9,000 new subscribers in that same short window. And he doesn't just stop at one example. He shows off a few other channels, including one with 70,000 subscribers that he says is making $1,000 every single month. You gotta admit, those numbers are pretty eye-catching. But how in the world is this supposed to be done? Let's get into the method.
So, the whole process starts not with a video, but with a simple static background image. The instructions he gives are surprisingly specific. He tells you to go to Pinterest, use the exact search term Islamic template background, find a design that catches your eye, and download it.
Okay, so you've got your background. Now it's time for the main event, the actual video content that you're going to put on top of it.
And where do you get this content? Well, from YouTube itself. He points everyone to the official channel of a well-known public speaker named Mufti Tariq Masoop. But here's where it gets really interesting. The creator puts up a big warning sign. He says, look, I can't actually show you how to download the videos because that would break YouTube's rules and could get my own channel shut down.
So you've got your background image, you've got your video clip. The last step is just to smash them together. And the crazy part is, this whole editing process is designed to be done right on your phone. No fancy computer needed. He uses a really popular app called InShot.
He lays it all out in 4 basic steps. It looks simple enough, but that second step, enhancing the image quality, is what he claims is absolutely crucial to the entire strategy.
First things first, you just bring that background from Pinterest into the editor and make sure it's set to that standard 16:9 YouTube format. Simple enough.
But here's the twist. He insists that the original image you downloaded just isn't good enough. In fact, he says if you use it as is, your video is pretty much guaranteed to fail. So what's the solution? He points to a free AI image upscaling website. This tool basically takes your low-quality image and makes it super high-res. And he argues this is the secret sauce for getting your video noticed by the YouTube algorithm.
And this right here is the core technique. You bring in the speaker's video, trim it down, and then layer it over that new high-quality background. Then, with just one click, the cutout tool magically removes the speaker's original background. After a few little tweaks to the color and speed, the whole video is done.
For his final piece of evidence, he actually shows a screen recording of him uploading one of these videos to YouTube, and he makes a point to zoom in on the part that says no copyright issues were found.
But then, after laying out this whole copy-paste method that seems almost automatic, he ends with a piece of advice that kind of seems to fly in the face of the whole easy money promise. He says success requires consistent hard work.
And that's the real head-scratcher, isn't it? The method is sold as the simple, straightforward shortcut. But the final takeaway is that success still comes down to relentless effort. So it leaves you wondering, is this a real loophole in the system, or is it just another reminder that on YouTube, maybe there are no shortcuts after all?